the truck. Fill the truck. The broken down economy has hurt a lot of people. Prices getting higher, reaching up to a steeple. It's harder now to put some bread upon our little table. Money in wallet is a fable. Now it's time to share. Now it's time to share. All the things we have in our time is time to share. Into our hearts to see what we have to give. What we have to give. Dan had a vision to have a fleet of empty trucks that we can build to the charities that benefit from what we build. What we build. We got this empty trucks that we gotta fill. Help us fill the truck. Fill the truck. Help, 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 help. Help us fill the truck. Fill the truck. Help, 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 help. Help us fill the truck. Hey, Cincinnati. Help, 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 help. Help us fill the truck. Hey, Cincinnati. Help, 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 help. The Healing Center in Springdale helps the Princeton School Day. Valley Interfaith will feed and clothe you for the party. Unpredicted hardships as Lakota reach its arms out, and there's only 3 of them. Sun Ministries helps its clients out of Groesbeck. Payne keeps it active with the churches down in Northside. Inter-Parish Ministries is helping there in Claremont. They're all out there giving hope out. There are businesses out there helping fill the truck of crippled instruments. Banks of Northside and the Walgreens and Beachpot. Planes moving. And wrapped up is the Spring Valley Bank. So they follow it to the frame you cruise. So they local, help those you know. So fill the truck and change their luck. Go online to shop and find what you want to fill the truck. We got 6 empty trucks that we gotta fill. Help us fill the truck. Fill the truck. Help, 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 help. Help us fill the truck. Fill the truck. Help, 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 help. Help us fill the truck. Hey, Cincinnati. Help, help, help. Help us fill the truck. Hey, Cincinnati. Help, 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 help. Baby food, hygiene pack pullovers, women's boots, bath towels, home starter kit, cooking wares, pillows, blankets, underwear, and socks, dishes, silverware, glasses, half scarves, gloves, diapers, toilet paper, non-perishable food. What you gonna give? Help, help, help. Help us fill the truck. Hey, Cincinnati. Help, 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 help. Help us fill the truck.